Hey guys, Justin Labato here in Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase the new line of GlassParency products, specifically the graphene coating that they have to offer. Now, if you're looking to add stunning gloss to your car's paint, this is the product. And I say that because graphene is the newest in formulas of chemistry for coatings in general, right? So with that, it's more of a ceramic base with a graphene oxide additive. So that gives you a much higher repellency in regards to a traditional ceramic. And what I mean by that is the hydrophobic characteristics are much greater. So it repels a lot more dirt, a lot more road grime, bugs, things of that nature that you would get on a daily driver, but most of all, especially water spotting. That's one of the big kryptonites to most traditional ceramic coatings, as to where with this one, it has a much higher repellency to help reduce and or in some cases, eliminate water spotting, which is great as a graphene. But that's just the performance side of it. Let's talk about the looks. When you want unmatched gloss, I've noticed with the graphene in general, especially with the GlassParency one, there is a lot of gloss, whether it be a single layer or multiple layers. And that's the great thing about this product is that it could go on multiple surfaces. It could go on glass, trim, rims, and of course your paint. And it could be applied in not just a single layer, but multiple layers if you want to achieve more gloss and more durability. With that said, you're looking up to 5 years of durability is what the manufacturer states with this product. This is something that is very user-friendly, and you get a great value because you get a 50 ml bottle. A 50 ml bottle will give you quite a few applications and or quite a few layers if you're doing it yourself, of course. With this product, I gotta tell you, graphene is definitely the newest thing, and GlassParency with this product, they hit a home run. This is something, if you want more information about it, definitely visit autogeek.com.